Next, cranial nerve 2 is the optic nerve. We do not see the optic nerve fully here, so assuming the eyes are located somewhere in this area here, this is under the brain of course, the optic nerve will come from the eye and join at the optic chiasm with the optic nerve of the other eye, and at the optic chiasm they will crisscross and form the optic tract, which will go to lateral geniculate bodies and the midbrain. Therefore, the cranial nerve 2, the optic nerve, is actually this little piece here, which is an extension of the remaining, which is a leftover of the remaining optic nerve that was cut off. Okay, so when I said the eye is here, the optic nerve comes here, that's the cranial nerve 2. Then the two optic nerves, the two cranial nerves 2's, crisscross at the optic chiasm and then go to the optic tracts. Optic tracts are not cranial nerves. Cranial nerve 2 is the optic nerve, not the optic tract. The next cranial nerve is the oculomotor nerve, or the cranial nerve 3. It comes from the interpeduncular fossa, which was, as we've said in the previous tutorial, located between the two portions of the midbrain called cerebral peduncles. So this here is the oculomotor nerve. So you can imagine the cerebral peduncle of the midbrain is in this area, and you can see there's the mammillary body and the infundibulum. So that's the oculomotor, cranial nerve 3. The trochlear nerve, cranial nerve number 4, cannot be seen from this view fully. It can be seen from the posterior view. So this is the anterior view we're looking at of the brainstem,